Well, we are walking over to our driver's house. Definitely the more remote area that we visited so far.
The person who posted the video does not even realize that during the filming, he accidentally filmed a UFO that flew in the sky at incredible speed. The UFO hit the shot in November of this year. The video was published on November the 22nd, 2020, and the UFO appears in the frame at around 2056, and in normal playback, it is almost impossible to notice its flight, so fast it flies. Below you can see a video that I slowed down as much as possible and made an increase in UFO. The object flies from left to right and has a clear structure and is most likely disc-shaped.